Hello children, welcome back to Max class. I am your Max teacher Sandhya from Bharatidasar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard Max 4th lesson. So you all know what is our 4th lesson name. Our 4th lesson name is fractions. So fractions means that is parts of the whole. The form of fraction is p by q. P is numerator and q is denominator. And today we are going to see which is greater each of the following parts. Okay. Now we are going to see, we have the question 1 by 8 and 3 by 7. Take 1 by 8, 3 by 7. We have two fractions. The first one is 1 by 8 and then the second one is 3 by 7. Take 1 by 8. So what is our opposite denominator value? 1 by 8. The opposite denominator value is 7. So take a 7, then 7. 1 sevens are 7. Now tell me Purtika, what is the answer? 8 sevens are? Very good. 8 sevens are, the answer is 56. Right here 56. Next we will take a 3 by 7, a second fraction. Take the fraction 3 by 7. Here the first fraction opposite denominator value is 8. So take 8 and then 8. 3 8s are 24. Again 7 8s are 56. So listen children, here we got a same denominator value 56 and then 56. So take a 7 by 56. Next we have 24 by 56. Same denominator. Now we are going to check the numerator value. We have the numerator values are 7 and then 24. So which one is the greater value? 24 is the greater value. So our greater number is 24 by 56. Here we have the question 1 by 8, 3 by 7. So 24 by 56 is the greater number. So in our question 3 by 7 is the greater value. So finally we should write the answer. 3 by 7 is greater. 3 by 7 is greater. So here you will take a first fraction, opposite denominator value, and then second fraction, first denominator value, then finally you got a same denominator, then you will check a numerator value. We have the numerator values are 7 and 24. Compare this two number, 24 is the greater number. So the final answer is 3 by 7 is greater. Next we will see the another example. Listen here. So our next question is 14 by 15, 3 by 10. Here we will use the LCM, then we will find the answer. Take a 14 by 15, 3 by 10. 14 by 15, 3 by 10. Find the LCM of 15 and 10. Find the LCM of 15 and 10. Take a 15, 10. First we will take a prime number. We all know that what is the first prime number. The first prime number is 2. So take a 2. 2 table of 15. 2 table 15 is not possible. We will take a 10. 2 table of 10. Yes, we have 10. 5 2s are 10. So write here 5 2s are 10. Next we will take a second prime number. We have a second prime number is 3. Take a 3. 3 table of 15. Yes, how many times? 3 5s are 15. So you should write here 5 3s are 15. Then 3 table 5 is not possible. Simply you should bring down that. Here we got a 5 and a 5. So first we will take a 2. 2 is a prime number. 2 table 5 is not possible. Then you will take a 3. 3 table also 5 is not possible. Next 4 is the composite number. Next you will take a 5. So 5 table of 5. Yes, 5 table 5 is possible only one time. Right here 5 table 1 5s are 5 and 1 5s are 5. We got the factors are 2, 3, 5. Now you should multiply this. 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So you should change the denominator value will be 30. Take a 14 by 15. Now what denominator we need? We need a 30 is the denominator. Now we will check. So what number should we multiply by 15 to get the product as 30? Is 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So both numerator and denominator value you should multiply by 2. 15 2s are 30, 14 2s are 28. Next we will take a 3 by 10. Now we need the denominator value is 30. So again you are going to check. So what number should we multiply by 10 to get the product as 30? In 10 table of 30? Yes. 10 3s are 30. So both a numerator and denominator value multiply by the same number 3 and 3. So 3 3s are 9. Take a 28 by 30 and then 9 by 30. 28 by 30 then 9 by 30. So we have same denominator value. Now we are going to check the numerator value. The numerator values are 28 and then 9. So which one is the greater value? 28 is the greater value. So I will write the question 14 by 15 comma 3 by 10. 14 by 15 comma 3 by 10. Our first answer 28 by 30 only greater value. So here 14 by 15 is the greater value. So you should write the answer 14 by 15 is greater. (14 by 15 is greater. Next we have which one is the smaller value. Listen children, which is smaller in each of the following pairs of fractions. We have the equation 7 by 15 comma 1 by 5. So same procedure which is greater, like first you are going to take the first numerator value, then second fraction denominator value. So take 7 by 15 comma 1 by 5. 7 by 15 comma 1 by 5. Here first you will take a 7 by 15, take a second fraction, a denominator value. Here we have the denominator value is 5. We will take both numerator and denominator, multiply by 5 and 5. Next we will take 7 5s are 35. Then 15 5s are 15 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 1s are 5. So keep 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 5 after 6 7. So the answer is 75. 15 5s are. Write the denominator value as 75. Next we will take a second fraction. We have the second fraction is 1 by 5. The opposite denominator value is 15. Write a 15 15. 1 15s are 15 and 5 15s are, the answer is 75. Write here 75. Take a 35 by 75 and 15 by 75. 35 by 75 comma 15 by 75. Yes, we got a same denominator value. Now we are going to check the numerator value. Here we have the numerators are 35 and then 15. Our topic is which one is the smaller. Smaller means compare this 35 and 15. Which one is the smaller? Yes, very good. 15 is the smaller value. So take the equation 7 by 15 comma 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is smaller. Finally, you should write the answer. 1 by 5 is smaller. Next we'll see another example. Listen here. So next question 1 by 9 comma 4 by 21. Here you will take a LCM, then you will find the answer. Listen here, 1 by 9 comma 4 by 21. Take the LCM of 9 and 21. LCM of 9 and LCM of 9 and 21. Take a 9 comma 21. Take the first prime number. The first prime number is 2. So, the both number are not possible in 2 table. Next you are going to take the 3. 3 is the prime number. Take a 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. Here we got both prime numbers. So, it will come then 1 and a number itself. So, take a 3. 1 3s are 3. Next you will take a 7. 1 7s are 7. So, the factors are 3 into 3 into 7. Take a 3 into 3 into 7. 3 3s are 9 and 9 7s are 63. 3 3s are 9 and 9 7s are 63. So, we got the answer. We got the factor is 63. You should change the denominator value will be 63. Take 1 by 9. So, the denominator value will be 63. You are going to check. So, what number should we multiply by 9 to get the product as 63? Yes, that is 9 7s are 63. So, both a numerator and denominator value multiply by the same number. 9 7s are 63 and then 1 7s are 7. Next, you will take the second fraction. We have the second fraction is 4 by 21. So, multiply by 3 and 3. Both numerator and denominator value multiply by 3 and 3. Why? Because here the denominator value is 63. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Next 4 3s are 12. Yes, we got final answer 7 by 63 and 12 by 63. 7 by 63 comma 12 by 63. Now we are going to check. Here we got a same denominator value. So, we are going to check the numerator value. We have the numerator values are 7 and 12. The topic is find which one is the smaller number. Yes, here 7 is the smaller number. So, you will write 7 by 63 is smaller. The question 1 by 9 comma 4 by 21. So, 1 by 9 is smaller. Write the answer. 1 by 9 is smaller. 1 by 9 is smaller. Listen children, in this session you have learned only 2 topics, that is which is greater and then which is smaller. Right. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. In this below description, we have at a study material, question bank and self-assessment work. So, my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.